Okay, welcome guys. So this video, let's talk about this 1518 water bottles. So before I start, hope you guys subscribe to my channel. Okay, so given a number of bottles, for water bottles, you can exchange a number, exchange numExchange empty water for over one for water bottle. So this is strange, right? Somehow like, right? If you have a bunch of empty, empty bottle, then you can exchange this to get one full bottle. Then you can drink that one full bottle, and you get some empty, and you use that empty to exchange more, one full water bottle, and you keep going, right? And return a maximum number of water bottle you can drink. Stupid. Okay, so suppose you have 9. So initialize, you have 9. Let's say you have 9 number of bottles, and then you are allowed to use 3 empty bottles to exchange 1, right? 1 full. So 9 become 9 empty, and you use to sum 3 of them to get 3, and you keep going, and you get 1, and you get, so the total number of drink you can get is 3. It's 1 times plus 3 plus 9, so it's for 13. Okay, so this is a little bit difficult, but you can easily see a trick, or maybe we see this example and we see a trick below. Okay, so maybe we see the example, and after that we can see the trick. So 15 full, right, and it become 15 empty. So let's make a table. So 15 full, right, become become 50 empty, and the 50 empty give you what? Give you 3. So that's the important thing, is that's 3 full and the 3 empty, right? And the 3 full, and the total is 6, right? So you have 6 empty, and the 6 empty give you what? Give you 1 full, 2 empty, right? And the total, you have only 3 empty, but 3 empty is enough. It's not enough to do anything. The number of exchange is 4. Okay, so you see this. It's very easy to see that at each stage, right? At each stage, the number of the full water you can get is just the quotient, right? So you see 6 is 4 plus 1, or 4 times 1 plus 2, right? 4, right? And then you see here, that's here, right? You total have 15, right? So 15 is 4 times 3 plus 3. So so at each stage, right? At each stage, sorry, this is this. At each stage, the full water bottle is basically the quotient, and the empty bottle, the number of empty bottle, is just the remainder. Okay. So once you understand that, everything is trivial. So you initialize, right? You suppose you have total bottles. Total is number of bottles. Let's say original answers, and your original initialize. That you at least have all these answer, all these 4 bottle, right? So the answer by number. Therefore, when total greater your number of exchange, that means you can still do the exchange, right? Then the 4 bottle you get is just the what? It's just the quotient, as you see this example, and the empty is just the remainder. Okay, and so total is just 4 plus empty, but your answer is just the record how many 4 bottle you can drink, right? So answer plus equal to 4. And then final, you return answer, right? So basically, this algorithm, right? It's basically just the code representative of this pictorial story, right? So yeah, very easy. So once you understand, the one is quotient, one is remainder. Okay, that's it. This algorithm should be very fast, right? So probably not, yeah, but still okay. I'll see you guys in the next videos.